Hi there, folks. Mark from integritytrading.com.au coming at you with another trade recap from yesterday. So this is only just yesterday, so you can see here the watch list that I put out. And I put this out currently at FXF Traders. So if you're interested in these sort of streams, have a look. FXFtraders.com. There's a live chat room. And I go through these markets every day for about half an hour, 30 minutes, 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So you saw the ones from, you might have seen the ones from yesterday. If you didn't, have a look. Euro, CAD and Pound Aussie, very good. So you can see here yesterday I liked Ger40 or DAX long. Bitcoin long if it could set up, which it didn't. Pound Singapore long, which is triggered but still open, so I'm going to leave that out for today. And then Doge and Ethereum long if they could bounce from these setups and give us a little push, right, like this. But we never got that. They've just headed back down again. So no cigar, didn't set up. So that's the watch list that I put out. So let's have a look at Ger40. So we're getting some breakouts, which is good. We're getting some follow through. So here's the weekly. So you can see, look, nice trending environment. Interested in this. Daily, same thing, very good trending environment. Steady state trend, had a big move, pulled back out on near the, the 20, moved out, and we were interested in this area here. All right, so when we look at the charts, multi-time frame analysis, I'm interested in this on the weekly, I'm interested in this on the daily, then we zoom in here, to find a setup on the 4 hour or the 60 minute, either of those. So let's jump into the 4 hour, and I'll show you what I see. So we've got a inverted head and shoulders here, very, very messy, but it's there. Right at the bottom of the pullback, remember, we've pulled back from here on the daily. Here's the neckline of that head and shoulders, right here. We've got target 1 of the head and shoulders, we've got target 2, and this area here was the area I mentioned to be careful of when it got near it as well. All right. So what we saw yesterday when I streamed this was this. So it's important when you do your analysis and your recaps as well, folks, remove, any of the price action that occurred afterwards and try and see it at the time that it that it triggered. So, excuse me, these inverted head and shoulders, I'll just do a quick diagram. So these ones, let's say we've got one through here. These are the better where there's a slant down. Upwards is a bit hard because price tends to, you've got it here, price tends to trail along the neckline and not really give you a kind of a break. Well, what it can. All right, so let's say we've got one here. So often, look, you can take the break, but a lot of times the pullback is the safer entry. All right. So what we had is this. So this was the time I called it. You can see the neckline through here. So we had price push up, and we've got that nice little coil. In other words, the typical breakout setup, we've got a nice push into it hard, and then we've got this little coil in here going on. They're the best types of breakouts. And any of you that have seen my videos on those will know. So price pushes up, and the idea then is we either take a full position or scale in with your stop out of the way. And if we get a decent bar that pushes up, you can bring your stop up under this consolidation. So this is also the 1, 2, 3. You can see, look, 1, 2, 3, or the 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for a breakthrough there. So that in itself, is a setup. Nice wide range bar, a couple of pause bars in here, maybe with a wick. That shows that price is pushed, and then it's just, it's hovering around here, getting ready for that break. So as you can see, it triggered you in. His original stop out of the way here, nice big move here. So instantly you could have bought your stop here or here, and then you could see it hit the first target and then approach the high. That's where we're looking for often a stall area. So, you probably really only got, maybe maximum 1.25, maximum favourable. So look, if you took your, your 1R and then you got out of break even, okay, you end up with half an hour. If you took, 1R, you were happy with that, or you targeted this, then it was an okay trade. Not a standout. It can still go, I'm going to put this back on the list if we can get a a pullback in here. Now just remember, this is not this is not, of course, it's not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. This is what I'm doing. This is what I look at. So you can see we had a nice push all within that. So let's drill down into here and have a look at the 60-minute, and you'll see the little coil in there. So there was the level there. First of all, we had those that got in early were taken out. Move up, and then we've got that little consolidation here. So that was positive. So your entry on the 60 would be there, and your stop would be there. So you can see that was a multi-arm move. If you can do those, I suggest that's what we try and do. 4-hour or 60-minute entry. If you miss that, then there was a pullback in here right to the 20. So you could have taken the breakthrough there. So that was it. A nice big move. It's important once you get that, that solid sort of surge, take some profits off the table. Don't be greedy and think this is going to pop and then, it's going to take off and give you a 10-hour winner. Take what the market gives you. All right. So that was the Germany 40 or the DAX trade last night. So very, very recent. Most will be probably out of taking that little push. Don't be frightened to just take 1R, 1.5R. If you've got a 60% win rate, you've got good edge. Or better still, if you're getting 1R but you're managing to cut your losses short and get 0.8R on your losses, that's a 1.2 payoff ratio. So that's that is good as well. So there we go, folks. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll try and put some more of these out. Those that are subscribed, apologies for not putting more out. I do get busy and my own trading and things, but I will do this often because people seem to like it, and I've had a few requests to do it. So thank you for the good comments as well. Appreciate that. So there we go. Look out for the next one. All right, folks. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye for now.